Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich with your outlook for November 21st, 2017. For your Tuesday, about 10 degrees warmer across most locations in our coverage area from what we saw yesterday. High pressure is off to our east today, and that's going to get this flow around this high pressure in from the southwest and get those temperatures up into the 50s for the majority of our coverage area. So we'll be much warmer today, and then we're also expecting mostly sunny skies with high pressure at control, but then we get later in the day, probably more towards evening, we'll get an increase in clouds, and you could have some showers moving in here for our southeastern areas, maybe along and just southeast of I-95. We'll see that here in a second. We're going to move forward here. Here's the first part of the evening, so nothing going on yet. But once we get mainly past midnight, you have an opportunity with this area low pressure moving offshore. It's going to continue well offshore. It's not going to be an issue for our area, but some of that rain will make it up to parts of just southeast of I-95. The GFS is not and has not been as aggressive with this feature here, but there could be, again, just in these areas and closer to the coastal communities, southeast of I-95 and along I-95, they could see a few showers after midnight into very early Wednesday morning. The rest of us should be just cloudy. Can't rule out a stray shower further northwest of 995, but likely it's going to remain along and southeast of it. And then the cold front is going to move through early Wednesday morning. You can see that right here, and that's going to reinforce the cold air coming in over the Thanksgiving holiday and also for your Black Friday. So moving forward, we can see the system moving away on Wednesday morning, so any more early morning clouds giving way to sun. And it will become mostly sunny here on Wednesday, but temperatures will be cooler than they are going to be today. And then we're going to be even colder as high pressure settles right over top of the region here for Thanksgiving. And you can see that right here. Here's that big high sitting actually just southwest of the region here, but there's going to be a cold high with temperatures not getting out of the low to middle 40s for highs. And in some places, you might not even hit 40 on Thanksgiving. So it will be definitely chilly for the holiday. But this, I don't think, is the coolest air mass in the 7-day period. We're going to get another one of these that's going to come in later in the period. Now, let's get to Saturday. I do think we have the opportunity for some showers to move in here on Saturday. The European model here is not showing that, but there are showers. We expect at least scattered showers to move in, probably during the morning hours here on Saturday. So we can have mostly cloudy skies and then those showers moving through. Just probably a 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3 hour duration of showers in and out, and then that's it. But they will be scattered, it looks like, and it may not hold up like this. This particular model is suggesting they might not even hold up and might not be anything at all. So we'll wait to see how that evolves. Right now, the GFS is suggesting that it will provide a few showers on Saturday, and then after that, we get partial clearing after the front clears, and then we do have the lake effect machine starting to kick up here on Sunday. So this will be another repeat of what we saw on Sunday night, where some areas actually got the first coating to an inch of snow with some snow showers, snow squalls. The snow machine will be cranking up again off Lakes Erie and Ontario, so we will get into an action maybe a little bit further southeast than we saw last time on Sunday. So we could see some flakes flying here on Sunday, and then once this goes through, Sunday's going to be a much colder day. Sunday is going to be temperatures are going to be stuck in the 30s in most areas, and then probably lower 40s further south and east. And the same thing here for Monday. Might moderate a little bit, a couple degrees into the lower 40s by the time we get to Monday, but it will be very cold going through this upcoming week. And then this pattern of cold air is going to settle in straight through the middle of next week, it looks like. So here's a look at today. These are the temperature anomalies. You can see the above average temperatures today. This is ahead of the front. There's the next trough coming in with the below average temperatures up here. So it will be above average today, slightly above average, but above average nonetheless. We'll get into the 50s. Some areas might, in the southeastern parts of our coverage area, might even approach the 60-degree mark. I would not be surprised to see some ratings for 60 down there. But we can see this trough coming in. This is a look at Wednesday morning, and the next comes in, and here's Thanksgiving, so you can see that cold air settling over our region for the Thanksgiving holiday itself. And once we get to Black Friday, not much different. I mean, maybe a moderating a few degrees here, but not really too much. But then we're going to continue to moderate on Saturday with the next front coming through, and so I don't think it's going to be as warm this time as it will be today, but you still have slightly above average temperatures out ahead of this one. And then the next trough comes in and settles in for Sunday and Monday. This one really means business. You can see how expansive this is. And temperatures will be stuck in the 30s, it looks like, here on Sunday in many locations, and maybe on Monday also, but you might get up to By the time you get to Monday, you might get up a degree or two up into the lower 40s in some areas, but it's still going to be very cold both Sunday and Monday, it looks like. And it looks like it's going to hang around for a couple days through the middle of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 21st, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.